Yan na guys, ready na. Mukhang masarap. Ayan. Ayan na ang recipe ni Iba. Ayan. Ito na yung gawa niya. Tatlo na.
Pro chef, you know.
Slowly. Oing. Oing. Seryoso na yan. Gutom na yan. Paapat na siya.
Hey. No more.
No
I need
more?
more egg. Can you give me more egg, please?
Wait. Mukhang masarap ang ulam niya. Ang isa kumakain na doon. No? Carbonara siya.
No, I put too much.
It's okay, you just put it aside. Yan.
And then I got really, really
Yan
big
na
one.
yan. Teka. Diyan may narinig din yung police ko. Okay. Hindi ko ni Iba. Guys, welcome back to
And then I need a little bit of oil.
olive oil.
Again. Scared lang siya.
Yan yung luto ni Iba. Menu ni Iba. Dumplings na itlog guys. Kinahirapan lang ako dumplings na itlog. Egg dumplings. Yan yung cooking of China.
Then that comes in.
Ha?
Popping again.
Yan, that one. Just like I cook your dumplings. Just like that. Hindi ito sober. So, itlog na dumplings pala ito kasi
Hungry.
yung ano niya, yung wrapper niya, ginawa niya egg. Tapos yung guys, yung recipe ng aking alaga, recipe, Iba's recipe. Ito pala yung gusto niyang gawin. Mukhang masarap nga. Egg dumpling. May ano yan sa loob, may minced pork. It's so hot, diba? You try. Mainit eh. Yummy. Mainitan.